What's going on, everyone? It's your boy GG Kicks here, and today I got another review for you guys. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 13 Lucky Green, aka the Ray Allens, man. These finally dropped. I always wanted these to come back in retro ever since I was in high school, and they finally did it, and I'm very disappointed in them. The quality is lacking in this shoe. The leather, cheap leather, cheap nubuck. I'll tell you guys more in depth when we look into the shoe. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that sub button, hit that like button. It really helps with the algorithms to get my videos out there. So let's take a closer look at the shoe. All right, so here's a 360 on the shoe real quick before I talk about it. All right, so the whole upper of the shoe is the nice tumbled leather. You guys can see the quality on this leather. You can hear some cracking to it. It's not the best Air Jordan quality, especially since it was a very general release. These are still sitting at malls, and it's just the nubuck that they used on this is like, it's really bad. It's not like those apple green Jordan 5s. Very nappy. Just looks poor quality on this shoe. Makes the shoe look like it's very cheap. These were very general. These came out even on Dick's Sports, that website. I would like to see that nice soft suede nubuck, but you guys, if you guys saw my last video on the 5s, when I did this to it, you were able to see the shades changing, you know. This is just very low quality, which sucks because this is supposed to be kind of a remake on the Ray Allen PE. Here's the toe box. We got tumbled leather, just not as tumbled as this upper piece right here, going all the way up through the tongue. You got your Jordan right there on the tip of the toe box. Green Jumpman on the tongue. This is a size 9. And here's the size tag inside of the shoe under the tongue. Taking a look at the bottom here, we got that nice 13 outsole. Some people don't like this outsole, but I personally love it. In basketball, in these shoes, they're pretty comfortable. I like the outsole, not a lot of people do. Here's another hologram Jumpman on the bottom. Also carbon fiber. So we got the white pods here with the green coming down, black all around. This shoe actually does have 3M going around, outlining the upper of the shoe. Here's the back of the shoe, just that green. Again, nothing too different about this shoe. So on this part, I'm just gonna be putting a black light, black flashlight, UV light on the shoe just to quality control, quality check Jordan Brand's work. They've been sloppy on those 13s. If you guys saw my video, I also did a black light on them, and they had some glue. This one isn't too bad. Can't expect it to be 100%. So there's really no glue flaws on this pair, which is a good sign, but they just use cheap materials all around the shoe. You can see some glue right there in the midsole and around the toe box. It's perfectly normal. On the fake pairs, you gotta watch out because it'll be just a gluey mess everywhere. So this is one tool you could use to check if your shoes is real or not. Obviously, some UAs are getting really close, but you guys gotta watch out. But the number one way you could find out if your shoe is fake, almost, if it's dead stock, you just smell the inside, man. And if it smells like a Chinese warehouse, you already know what it is. If it smells fresh, like every other pair of retros you guys have ever owned, you know it's legit. Alright, so the final verdict on these shoes, I give these a 7.5 just because they are the Ray Allen PE kind of remake. They did horrible on the shoe, on the quality. They really mass produced it. These shoes are sitting on shelves. I was able to get these anywhere, man. Online, they were still in stock a day or two after. That's very rare when it comes to Jordans, that they're still online on the foot sites days after they dropped, especially at Air Jordan 13. You know, it's like, damn, I guess people aren't really liking the 13s nowadays. But in my opinion, it's personally one of my favorite silhouettes. I love it. It's a comfortable shoe. Not much bad you could say about it, other than if it's not your style, it's not your style, you know? Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys hit that sub button, like, and subscribe.